In 2010, Apple redefined personal computing with the debut of the original iPad, fundamentally altering our online interactions and productivity methods. Presently, Apple boasts its most expansive iPad lineup, presenting a variety of models ranging from the economical standard iPad to the compact iPad mini, the versatile iPad Air, and the high-performance iPad Pro. Notably, both the foundational iPad and the Elite Pro model come in dual variants, offering consumers a choice among 6 distinct configurations. In recent times, Apple has invigorated its iPad offerings with 3 pivotal updates, including the integrations with the acclaimed Apple M1 chip, previously reserved for top-tier devices, at a more accessible price bracket. We've undertaken comprehensive evaluations and comparisons of the best models on the market. Here goes our top pick for the best iPads to choose from. All product links are in the description. 5. Apple iPad 10th Generation. This iPad comes packed with impressive features. Its modern design, robust hardware, and advanced features make it a worthy successor to its predecessor. While its design echoes that of the iPad Air, some variations are notable. For instance, it is powered by the A14 Bionic chip, akin to the 4th generation iPad Air. The iPad offers compatibility with the 1st generation Apple Pencil. However, it does lack certain features present in the iPad Air, such as an anti-reflective display coating and P3 color gamut support. While it doesn't support the Apple Magic Keyboard, it does offer compatibility with the more budget-friendly Magic Keyboard Folio. The iPad is available in an array of colors, including blue, silver, pink, and a particularly vibrant yellow variant. This diverse color palette ensures users can select a shade that resonates with their style. 4. Apple iPad 9th Generation. The 9th generation iPad is still a reliable and cost-effective option for a diverse user base. Equipped with the Apple A13 Bionic chip and neural engine, this iPad ensures smooth performance across various applications. Its 10.2 inches Retina display is a delight for users who prioritize screen real estate for tasks such as browsing, reading, and multimedia consumption. For those who value capturing moments, the device is equipped with a 12MP ultra-wide front camera featuring center stage, enhancing video calls by automatically adjusting the frame to keep users centered. Additionally, its 8MP rear-facing camera caters to photography needs, capturing detailed shots with ease. The iPad offers Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 4.2, a Lightning connector, and an optional LTE cellular variant. The sound experience is enriched by bottom and side-facing stereo speakers. Security features include Touch ID, ensuring user data remains protected. The device is also compatible with the 1st generation Apple Pencil, expanding its functionality for creative tasks. Primarily targeted at users seeking an affordable yet powerful tablet, the 9th generation iPad excels in delivering a commendable user experience. Its A13 Bionic chip, combined with the neural engine, enhances multitasking, productivity, and gaming experiences. The display now supports True Tone technology, dynamically adjusting color temperatures based on ambient lighting, ensuring optimal viewing. Though the display offers rich visuals, it does not match the color range of higher-tier iPad models. However, this doesn't detract from its overall performance and value proposition. For users aiming for a more traditional computing setup, pairing the iPad with the Apple Smart Keyboard or the Logitech keyboard cover with an integrated trackpad can transform the device into a versatile workstation. 3. Apple iPad Mini 6th Generation. The Apple iPad Mini is a standout choice for those prioritizing portability without compromising on performance. At the heart of this compact powerhouse lies the Apple A15 Bionic chip, ensuring swift and efficient operations across a myriad of tasks. This makes the iPad Mini a compelling option for users seeking a device that bridges the gap between smartphones and full-size tablets. One of the defining features of the 6th generation iPad Mini is its 8.3 inches liquid Retina display, enhanced with True Tone technology. This ensures a viewing experience that's both immersive and true to life. Furthermore, with support for the P3 color gamut, users can expect rich and vibrant visuals, making the iPad Mini a formidable companion for content consumption and creative endeavors. Photography enthusiasts will appreciate the device's 12MP rear camera, complemented by 4K video recording capability and a 12MP front-facing camera. These specifications ensure crisp and detailed imagery, whether capturing memories or engaging in video calls. Connectivity options are robust, with Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5, USB-C, and an optional 5G variant catering to diverse needs. The inclusion of stereo speakers enhances the audio-visual experience, ensuring clarity and depth in sound output. Security is bolstered by the Touch ID feature, seamlessly integrated into the power button for intuitive access. 2. Apple iPad Pro. The Apple iPad Pro is a testament to Apple's commitment to innovation and performance. Tailored for users who demand unparalleled power and versatility, this device embodies the pinnacle of tablet technology, setting benchmarks that few competitors can match. Central to the iPad Pro's formidable performance is the cutting-edge Apple M2 chip, complemented by a neural engine. This combination not only elevates graphics and processing capabilities, but also facilitates seamless multitasking and enhanced energy efficiency. Whether navigating intricate workflows or indulging in graphics-intensive tasks, the iPad Pro ensures a fluid and responsive user experience. The display of the iPad Pro is nothing short of a visual marvel. Users have the option of selecting between an 11 inches or a larger 12.9 inches liquid retina display, both featuring ProMotion and True Tone technology. The 12.9 inches variant further enhances this visual experience with its Liquid Retina XDR display, boasting mini LED backlighting and an astounding peak brightness of 1600 nits. The result is a display that delivers unparalleled color accuracy, contrast, and clarity, making every interaction a joy. Beyond its impressive display, the iPad Pro incorporates an advanced camera system. The dual camera setup, comprising 12MP and 10MP lenses, coupled with a LiDAR scanner, empowers users to capture stunning photos and videos, augmented by depth sensing capabilities. The 12MP Face ID camera ensures secure and seamless authentication, while 5 integrated microphones ensure crystal clear audio capture, ideal for professional-grade content creation and communication. Connectivity options are comprehensive, with Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.3, and a Thunderbolt 4 USB-C connector. The latter not only facilitates rapid data transfer, but also supports a myriad of peripherals, enhancing the iPad Pro's versatility. Optional 5G compatibility further ensures blazing fast connectivity, whether you're at home, in the office, or on the move. The iPad Pro's compatibility with the second-generation Apple Pencil introduces a new dimension of precision and creativity. Additionally, its compatibility with the Apple Magic Keyboard elevates the user experience, transforming the iPad Pro into a potent productivity tool. Moreover, the integration of the M2 chip introduces new functionalities, such as the hover feature, enhancing stylus interaction. In summary, the Apple iPad Pro redefines what's possible with a tablet. Its blend of powerful performance, stunning display, and versatile capabilities positions it as a frontrunner in the tablet market, offering an unparalleled user experience that caters to a broad spectrum of users. 1. Apple iPad Air 5th Generation. The Apple iPad Air represents a harmonious blend of performance, design, and value, positioning itself as a compelling option for a diverse audience, from tech aficionados to newcomers to the Apple ecosystem. At the heart of the iPad Air's impressive performance lies the Apple M1 chip, renowned for its prowess in delivering exceptional speed and efficiency. Complemented by the neural engine, the device effortlessly handles a myriad of tasks, whether it's intensive multitasking, creative endeavors, or immersive gaming experiences. The inclusion of the M1 chip places the iPad Air in a league of its own, outclassing many competitors in its segment. The visual experience on the iPad Air is nothing short of captivating. Boasting a 10.9 inches Retina display, enhanced with True Tone technology, the device offers a vibrant and immersive viewing experience. The display's thin bezels contribute to a more expansive screen real estate, while True Tone technology intelligently adjusts the display's color temperature based on ambient lighting, ensuring optimal viewing comfort. Design-wise, the iPad Air exudes elegance and sophistication. Encased in a recycled aluminum housing, the device is available in an array of eye-catching colors. Its blend of raw power, stunning display, and versatility cements its position as the undisputed leader in the tablet landscape, offering an unmatched user experience for professionals and enthusiasts alike.